If you're ready to make your meals faster, tastier, and with less mess, an air fryer can be a real game changer. In this video, we'll count down the 5 best air fryers you can get right now, based on rigorous lab tests and months, in some cases years, of real-world daily use. These picks deliver consistently great results, whether you're crisping frozen fries, roasting salmon, or reheating last night's pizza. We'll go from number 5 up to our top choice, and you can find all the links to these products in the description below for more details and the latest offers. In 5th place, we have the Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven TOA 70, the best air fryer toaster oven for those who want one appliance to handle it all. This multifunctional workhorse can air fry, toast, bake, and broil, delivering crispy, golden results in impressively short times. In testing, it produced the most evenly browned toast of any toaster oven we tried, and matched the performance of standalone air fryers for crispness. The large rectangular rack gives you more surface area than basket-style models, perfect for family portions or sheet pan-style meals. It's worth noting that its mechanical dials aren't as precise as digital controls, and the air fry setting runs hot, so you may want to lower the temperature and monitor food closely. For big households or anyone who loves versatility, this is a solid pick. Coming in at number 4 is the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer, our best compact choice that still packs serious performance. With a 4-quart capacity, it's ideal for smaller kitchens, singles, or couples, yet it matches the cooking power of larger models. In our tests, it turned out super crispy wings, evenly browned salmon, and perfectly cooked fries without drying them out. The smaller size also means it fits more easily into a dishwasher, making cleanup quick and simple. While it's not the smallest model on the market, it balances footprint and function extremely well. Daily use over many months showed it's built to last, with no drop in cooking quality. If you want a reliable, space-saving air fryer. At number 3, you'll find the Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer, which earns the title of most stylish without sacrificing capability. Its shorter, sleeker body fits comfortably on most counters, while still offering a roomy 6-quart basket. The flat, top-mounted control panel is backlit with large, easy-to-read text, and fan speed indicators let you adjust intensity for delicate items. In lab testing, it delivered moist, evenly cooked results from roasted vegetables to juicy steaks. The air fry mode is powerful enough to blow lighter foods like bread, but gentler settings give you the flexibility to handle everything from grilled cheese to desserts. Owners have reported using it multiple times a day for over a year without noticeable wear. It's a perfect blend of design and dependable cooking. Taking the 2nd spot is the Instant Vortex Plus ClearCook, our best value pick for families and frequent cooks. With a square 6-quart basket and a clear viewing window, you can monitor food without letting heat escape. A built-in light turns on right before the timer ends, a small touch that makes a big difference. In testing, it produced crispy, juicy chicken wings in 20 minutes and golden fries without the need to shake halfway through. It preheats in just a few minutes, chirps when ready, and continues automatically without extra button presses. The responsive digital controls and quick adjust knob make setting time and temperature simple. The only quirk is that the tray can slip out when tipping the basket, so tongs are recommended for anyone who wants high performance at a reasonable price. And finally, at number 1, the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL, our pick for the best overall air fryer. This 5.5-quart basket model consistently outperforms the competition, turning out the crispiest chicken wings and evenly browned foods in record time. It's equipped with multiple cooking modes, including Max Crisp, Air Broil, Bake, and Dehydrate, allowing for a wide range of recipes. The ceramic non-stick basket and tray are both dishwasher safe and built to last, with only minimal wear after years of daily use. Its controls are intuitive, the display is easy to read, and the broiling rack adds even more versatility. While some may find the basket diameter a touch small, the speed, durability, and quality of results make it the gold standard for home air frying. That wraps up our list of the 5 best air fryers you can buy today. from multifunction toaster ovens to compact powerhouses, sleek designs, high-value family models, and an unbeatable all-arounder. There's an option here for every kitchen and cooking style. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more expert product guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. All the links to these air fryers are waiting in the description below. Happy cooking and enjoy your next crispy bite.